Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, as you have seen by the title, I'll be making pancakes for you guys today. This is actually my second time making pancakes. My ingredients are a glass of milk, 3 eggs, sugar. Of course, I'm not going to use all this sugar. And then I have cooking oil. I have eggs flour. I like eggs flour. And then I have this bowl. This bowl is the one that I will use for mixing my ingredients. Yeah. Guys, this is the end product. So I was able to make 5, as you can see. I'm still learning, so pole pole ndio mwendo. Step by step I'll get better. Hey guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section down below if you enjoy such videos where I try cooking new things and I share with you guys. Say I want to enjoy. I've put some 2 bananas around it, and I don't have syrup, I don't have honey, so I just decided to put some chicken, some 2 pieces of chicken and some 2 bananas and drink with tea. So yeah guys, I'm about to enjoy my breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please like the video. All right, hadi I'm salivating guys. Ebu, let me enjoy enjoyment.